Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Hope you all are well and safe at your home. I am Jeevan Jyoti. I am your computer teacher. Today we will start chapter 4, formatting a documents. First of all, you have to see this picture, that is the home page of MS Word. Here we are explaining some about the formatting. What is the meaning of the formatting? The formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive. Next is we can create and design appealing documents by the following steps. Here are some figures. With the help of this, we can change. With the help of this, we can change the appearance of the documents. You can see here are some points. With the help of this we can create our documents so interesting. The first one is changing font and its size. First is changing font and its size. Second is highlighting the certain words. Third is the adjusting the line space, setting margins, setting tabs, aligning the text on a page, creating bullet and numbered list, changing text styles and colors. The formatting effect can be applied using the Home tab, which contain font formatting, commands font group, paragraph option, paragraph group, and text style command style groups. Our first format is changing the font type. Here you can see how can we change the font. When you open the MS Word and start typing the text, the default font that appear is Times New Romans. That one. The characters of a specific size and design used for typing the text are called the font. MS Word provide the various types of font options. For this, select the text, click on the Home tab here. Click on the drop down arrow present the next to the font style box here. When you drop this arrow there, you can see this type of list. Select the desired font from the displayed font list. Observe the change. When you select these styles, then after you can observe the changes in the style, whatever you are writing. Next is applying the bold, italic, and underline. The option of boldface, italic, and underline are used to emphasize the text and catches the reader's attention. First of all, you have to select the text, then click on the button bold, italic, or underline in the font group of the Home tab. When we bold the select text, if you want to select the bold text, then the word make it darker than the rest of the text. If you select the italic, then the text by slanting it to the right side, and if we choose the underline option, then the text by placing a line under it. When we underline a word or sentence along with the spaces, the MS Word provide a variety of formatting option which can be selected from the font dialog box on the Home tab. Next is changing the text alignment. Here are some alignment changing text. With the help of this, we can change the alignment. First is align test left. It places all the selected tests to the left margin. By default, the test is always signed to the left margin. Next is center align. Sets the test in the center of the left and the right margin. It is mostly used for titles or headings. Third is align test right. Align all the selected tests to the right margin. It is often used for placing the dates or references in the documents. Next is justifies align. It places the test evenly between the left and the right margin. It is mainly used for designing books, magazine and the newspaper. Here you can see all the alignment in the home page. After that, how can we applying the alignment? How can we align? First of all, you have to write on the your desired work. For this, select the test, click on the desired alignment button in the paragraph group. This is the alignment button. Observe the change in the alignment. We can also change the type of alignment by clicking the page layout tab. After that, we can choose this alignment. If we want to write it here in the left side, we can write here from the left side, in the middle one, whatever we want to write it. Click on the paragraph dialog box launcher. Select the required alignment by clicking the drop down arrow next to alignment option under the general selection. Okay children, clear? Now it's time to be practice. You have to practice all these topics whatever you are read in your video. After that, in there are some more options or some more topics we will discuss in our next video. So before your next video, you have to practice your all these topics. That's all. Sai Ram.